One of the things they forgot to teach you while you was in high school is about credit. But don't worry, I got you. I'm going to show you how to build up your credit, whether you're in college, you're in the military, you're doing trade school, or you just went straight to the workforce. I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step by step. So with that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get right into it. What's up, family? I'm back with another one. Hey, if you're new to the channel, hey, welcome to the family. So in today's class, I want to go over 3 different scenarios, all right? If you're in college or if you're in trade school, how can you, and you work in a full-time job, how can you build up your credit so by the time you graduate, you'll have amazing credit? I want to go over that process. Or if you went straight to the workforce, you're in the military, whatever the case may be, you went straight to work, how can you build up your credit so by the time you need it, you can have amazing credit, all right? Or if you're a parent and you have a 13, 14-year-old, by the time they graduate, how can they have amazing credit? I want to go through that process, all right? So sit back, relax, grab a pen, get some paper, get something to drink, and no, I'm talking about some water. All right, let's get straight into it. So first things first, whether you're in college or you're in trade school, working a full-time job, part-time job, or you went straight to the workforce, what's very important is establishing a relationship with the bank, and not just any bank, a credit union, because they're gonna have more to offer to help you build up your credit. All right. So what you want to do is just Google a credit union, open up a checking account, open up a savings account, get your direct deposits to start going there. All right. You're establishing a new relationship with the bank. All right. Now you want to go inside there, schedule an appointment, go inside, open up a checking account, open up that savings account, and ask them specific questions, all right? One of the questions you want to ask them is, hey, what do you have to offer for people that are just starting to build their credit? Now, most of the time, they're going to say, hey, we have a secured credit card, we have a secured loan, and you have your direct deposit start going there. They also might offer you a line of credit based off how much money's coming in with those direct deposits, all right? Now, usually I would tell you to start with a secured loan, all right? Here's why. If you start with a secured credit card, they might deny you, all right? Because they usually check your credit. Now, you can ask that specific question, right? You can ask them, hey, do you check for a secured credit card? And they might say yes. So if they do, usually they don't do it with a secured loan. So usually you might have to put up $100, $200, $300, all depend, just ask them the questions. Hold up, before you do anything, all right? You got information from the bank representative. They told you how much money you got to put up. They told you roughly how much your monthly payment is going to be. Now, make sure that's good with you. Make sure you're able to pay that back, all right? Don't ever miss a payment. Make sure it's good, all right? Now, once you're ready, here's the plan, all right? Put the money up, continue making those payments on time. Now, what you want to do next is wait 4 months. Wait 4 months and apply for a secured credit card, all right? Now, with the secured credit card, you're gonna have to put money up as well. Now, the reason why I'm telling you to do this is because you wanna manage your money. This is your money that you're putting up. You're gonna manage your money. Don't apply for a regular credit card just yet because you're probably not gonna be ready to manage $5,000, $10,000, all right? Don't want you to get in that habit, all right, of getting that $10,000 credit card, running it up, and then later on, you say you're gonna pay it back, but 5-10 years from now, when you actually need your credit score is in a bad shape because you're not able to make those monthly payments, all right? So get the secured credit card, that's $200, manage that now, all right? Now, what you want to do is wait another 4 months, and apply for a personal loan, all right? $1,000 personal loan for 12 months, all right? Now, what you're gonna do is they're gonna deposit that $1,000 into your checking account, and you're gonna move that $1,000 into your savings account, all right? And you're gonna put half up front. You're gonna pay half of it back, all right? $500 back, and then from there, they might tack on, or they're gonna tack on some interest, but it's okay. So now you're gonna make the monthly payment for the remaining balance, all right? So now things should be looking good. Credit score is on point, credit profile's on point, you're making on-time payments, you got the secured loan, and you're paying that off, you got the personal loan, you paid that off, you're still managing your credit card, your secured credit card, you're using it, you're paying it back, you're using it, you're paying it back, you're building that relationship with the bank. So what's gonna happen now is you're gonna start getting those pre-approval offers. They're gonna say, hey, apply for this credit card, or apply for this loan, or apply for this, or apply for that. hey, get those pre-approval offers and throw it away, because I don't want you to get tempted. Continue doing what you're doing. Now, if you want to get another personal loan where, hey, it's $2,000 this time, and you take half, pay half of it off, and then continue making those monthly payments. So by the time you graduate, now you have multiple accounts on your credit report. You paid things off. But one more thing, by the time you graduate, one of the things you want to do is start saving. Start saving your money, because as you know, life happens and you're going to need some cash to take care of. Let's just say you have, you need a new battery, tires flat, whatever the case may be. You might have to go somewhere. You have the expense to take care of it. And most importantly, if you're looking to get into real estate, whether you're trying to buy a house or get an investment property, you have a down payment for it. For my parents, here's how we're gonna set our kids up for success. So by the time they're 18, they're gonna graduate with an amazing credit score. They're gonna have an amazing credit profile. So first things first, here's the game plan. You wanna make sure you establish a relationship with the bank for your child, all right? Open up a savings account, teach them how to save, teach them how to put money away, but most importantly, add them as an authorized user to your credit cards, all right? Because let's just say you had that credit card open up for a long time. Now they're getting all that history being added to their credit profile. Make sure, you never missed a payment. But like I said, they're getting all that history added to their credit profile. So you have 2 or 3 or 4 credit cards. They're getting all that history. They're getting all that on-time payments. So by the time they're 18, now they have an amazing credit score. They have an amazing credit profile. So when it's time for them to apply for something, hey, they're gonna get approved. But another thing we wanna do is talk to them about investing, talk to them about saving, all right? Or if you don't know too much about investment, guess what? We can take them to Charles Schwab. We can take them to certain places to learn about investing, all right? That's what I did for my daughter. I didn't know everything about investing, but I knew certain things about stocks, certain things about S&P 500, certain things about certain things. And what I did was took her to Charles Schwab so she can ask specific questions, all right, to learn more. And he can also teach, because they want to teach, and they want to, guide the younger generation, teach them some of the mistakes that they, made when they was older, so they can avoid it. You get what I'm saying? So we can just take them to Charles Schwab. We can take them to these certain places, all right, to schedule an appointment, set it up when they're out of school, take them so they can learn, and they have they understand more about money, they understand more about saving. We're creating that great habit for them, so by the time they're 18, they have the habit of saving, they have the habit of paying things on, have the habit of, putting money away. But most importantly, they have the habit of investing. So by the time they're older, they have more money put away so they can enjoy life when they get older. Of course, they're gonna enjoy life, but you get what I'm saying. That's what some things we want to set up for our kids. So by the time they're 18, they're gonna be well off. Hold up now, if you feel like your credit score isn't where it needs to be and you need to remove those negative closed accounts off your credit report, hey, go watch this video right here. I'm gonna walk you through the process, step by step, on how to knock the credit bureaus out so you can improve your credit score, improve your credit profile, so you can add your kid as authorized user. So by the time they're 18, they're gonna be graduating with an amazing credit score, have an amazing credit profile. So I'll see you in this video right here, and I'm gonna walk you through the whole entire process. All right.